Create something you can be proud of. Because the only way to know something is of good quality is by creating it with your own hands. That's why we work on optimizing our machines every day and on continuously developing new products. Passion for innovation and new technology drives us. That's why we work on our products with the same passion you have for your project. Our in-house production department in Ichenhausen works with state-of-the-art machines and systems to ensure an efficient manufacturing process. As a production and commercial enterprise with a long-standing tradition, we are represented globally, so you can get your products as quickly as possible. Because your project is our project too. This concept has driven us for almost 100 years. While others are just dreaming about it, you're actually doing it. Whether in a workshop, garden, or on a construction site, create something with your own hands. With us, no project is impossible. The partner for all DIY enthusiasts for generations. Scheppach, made for your project.